Hey guys, welcome back to Just Kay's Life. And on this episode, we're doing Kay's Beauty Talk. So I'm going to finish the look that I started. And in this video, I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. And I believe the following video is going to be the finished makeup with the foundation and the concealer and everything. So this is part 2 of a 3-part series. A 3-part series. So thank you guys for coming to watch. Please comment, subscribe, ring the bell, share with your family and friends and your significant other. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
It's those C4s.
So crazy.
Okay, butterflies. So as I said in the previous video, got the eyebrows done, and now I'm just gonna go in and do these eyeshadow looks. So I'm not completely sure exactly what I'm going to do, so however it comes out is how it comes out. I got my little Betty one, you know. I had bought this NYX eye primer from the hair store and didn't even ever get the chance to use it because it was dried up from jump. So that goes to tell me right there that that wasn't a good product to have. It was already dried up, you know. I'm going to go ahead and put my primer on for the makeup portion of the video because I like it to be nice and dry. But I'm just going, well, yeah, because my eyebrows is done, so. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna let this set in while I'm doing everything else. Okay guys, so I'm going to speed this video up a little bit because it turned out to be 39 minutes and that was 39 minutes too long. So I'm going to try to take at least 10 minutes off. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting on my cream concealer, maybe a shade lighter than my natural skin color, just to lay a base down for my eyeshadow so the colors could pop just a little bit more. I haven't yet got to the stages of putting on makeup where my colors are really popping. At least I don't think so, how I want to see it look, but we're going to go ahead and do this look. So I'm just fixing my eyebrow where I over conceal just a little bit, and I'm gonna go back in with my spoolie and fix my eyebrow. So I was watching The Real this morning and they was talking about the honey pot that's owned by Beatrice. I'm not sure of her last name. She's a black female and her company of course is black owned. And somebody made a comment about her Target commercial that she just put out recently. And, of course, it was a white lady, and she said that it was racist, per se. So, because it said that she wanted to pave the way or open doors for young black females that would like to be entrepreneurs. So, I'm a bit confused about why is that racist? Why? Because she's more geared to her culture that's racist. It's plenty of businesses out here, clothing lines, particularly makeup lines, that say they don't make their products for African American people. And of course, it brought up controversy, but it still has been said. So the fact that she is coming out and she's geared towards her culture, I'm not quite sure why that's such a problem. So we're going to set this concealer with the Cameroon eyeshadow, just to, keep it still and we don't have no creasing through the day. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing today, but, I guess I'll be ready for whatever, if anything. Yeah, so I didn't really quite understand where she was coming from with her statement, but again, every time it comes to us, it's never any support from other cultures when we support ourselves. That's why it's so important for us to support us more than we support anybody else. Because it's okay when we support in other cultures, but when we start supporting ourselves, it's a problem. So continue. Good job, Miss Honey Pie Lady, Beatrice. So, yeah, now we're going to go in with Milk Cosmetics, Lovesick. It comes with 4 colors and a cute little mirror with a magnetic base to keep them. They stack on top of each other. So, yeah, they're magnetic. And we're going to go in the corners of our eyes, the outside corners in a V shape. So we can start laying down our color and trying to figure out what's this look going to be today, because I have no idea. I'm just playing in makeup. And again, if you make any mistakes while you playing in your makeup, don't be like, oh my God, I gotta start over. Where's the makeup wipes? Try to fix it. Really try to go in and beat your face like you was going out, because that's the way I learned, and I figure that's the way you learn, to at least do your own face. So make the mistakes. Don't make it like it's the end of the world. It's makeup. You're allowed to make mistakes. There's no right or wrongs, no matter what the professionals say. You do what's proper for you, and this is how I use my makeup brushes. Pretty sure somebody out there that's a professional, oh my God, that's horrible. She don't know what she doing, but do I care? No. This is how I do my makeup. But anyways, yes, I'm about to put up a couple of videos for the All of Your Business segment of Just K's Life, where we're going to be talking about Black-owned businesses. And Juvia's is definitely going to be one of them. I mean, I like them. I don't love it. I love the concealers. Their concealers are bomb. But as far as, this particular eyeshadow palette, I feel like, I don't know, maybe I could be using the wrong concealer. But if it's supposed to be pigmented, as they say, it really doesn't show all up that great. But it does. I'm not going to say not that great. It does with certain colors, like their yellow. It doesn't show up great for me. Maybe I need to use a lighter concealer. But it doesn't take away from the actual pigment of it, because when I swipe it across my hand, it shows up okay. Just not on my eyelid. So, they're going to be one. I'm going to talk about Barney, even though I've never had none of her services. I like the way she float on Instagram. So, I'm going to throw her a shout out and talk about her business and what she's all about. And, what she's trying to do. So, maybe you could hire her for an event that you're getting ready to have. Also, I'm going to be talking about Aramaj Activewear. It's a clothing line. I bought a dress from him. I'm going to talk about that. give him some exposure and, you know, put down his Instagram and stuff. Also, I want to do one on the crayon case. The crayon case, yes, honey, the crayon case. So I'm just going in with the inner corners of this Kissy. This Kissy is so pretty. I love it. It's so beautiful. And it shines so nicely. As you can see, yes, it's so gorgeous. I want to go down all the way to the corner of my eyes, but I'm not, because the waterworks are going to start momentarily. I told you guys I have serious allergies, and I don't think the makeup helped any, and my eyes water really, really bad. And I'm going in on the left side, doing the same thing. And I'm just putting enough, and I'm making sure I dab. I started out dabbing so I can soak up some of that concealer. And I don't have any creasing. Oh, no, I ain't go in with Kissy yet. Oh, child, I'm so far ahead of myself talking to y'all. I went in with the concealer to start my cut crease for the Kissy. So that's what that is. That's the concealer. No wonder it showed up so bright. But this Kissy get ready to show up bright too. Nice and clean. But yeah, I'm going to be talking about that as well. As my new face routine that I started. There goes the Kissy. I'm about to go in with that. Oh no, Fifi. Child. All screwed up. Fifi gonna come in and show some brightness, and this is from the Afrique palette, which I like this palette, but I want to try their berry palette and see how that comes up. So as you can see, I'm dabbing in the corners because I want to make sure that there's no creasing and that it looks good. And I don't have a bunch of fallout. But look at it. Once I put it, it's so cute. I like it. You see that? Yes. But it's not the color exactly that you see in the palette, because it's looking more pinkish than reddish. Maybe that's the color it's supposed to be. I'm not sure. But in any case, look at that. And there goes the waterworks. There goes the waterworks, baby. Yes, look at that pink or red, metallic. Or maybe that's why I like pink, because it's metallic red. I like that look. But yeah, so we just going to dab, and make sure we put enough product. And make sure it's looking all good. But yeah, I just got this new silicone brush from Vanity. Oh my God. So amazing on your face. So amazing. I got it from Adrienne Holden. I forgot her new married last name. But Adrienne from The Real. And you got 70% off. Yeah, so that's what it is. Kissy goes in the middle, because I was going to use that red color that I pointed out previously, but then when I saw the look with the concealer, I'm like, ooh, I don't like that. So I just went in with a little Kissy, and that just blended out so nicely. You see that, hunty? Y'all. That is so cute. Look at that. And I'm just going to mix. Get the mixing after I do the left side. And I did come a long way with my makeup, because, honey, when I say clown clown. Click, 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 clown. Click, 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 clown. I used to have clown makeup, boo. Clown makeup. That shit used to be like, I'm off to the circus. But now, after years of over time learning, I got it together a little bit. So I'm just blending. I'm taking the same brush that I started out with the Love Sick, and I'm going in and blending it in with the Kissy, so I can get a nice mixture. And then I'm going in with the pink brush to blend in with the Kissy on the other end. And I go in just a little bit too far. This is what I'm talking about making mistakes. I went in too far. So then I'm going to have to go back in with the Kissy to bring it out so you can actually see it. Because as you can see, my end color and my inner color is starting to mesh, which means I took out the Kissy with all the blending. But I'm excessive when it comes to blending. I hate seeing harsh lines. I want it to melt into each other. Not no line here and a line there and all this separation. It looks messy. But I'm just going to blend that out. And that's going to be the name of the game for the rest of the duration. It's just blending and mixing, and making sure that they all blend into my taste. And that's what it's going to be about. But yeah, stay tuned because those other videos are coming. I also got some new brushes that I'm adding to my collection. I got some new makeup wipes. I got some nighttime makeup wipes that supposed to have the lavender scent to help you get ready for bed. So when you come in and take your makeup off, you already get that scent, that smell. Just be ready to put you to bed, take your shower, have your little nightcap or what have you. Yes, they go to sweating as the menopause is setting in. And there will be a story for story time. I'll let y'all in on that. But, yep, I'm just going in, blending, mixing more color. I probably seen some fall out or something. But I'm going to mix, keep mixing. Also, I just got... What else did I order? What else? Oh, my hair. Oh, I cannot wait to do a hair. Oh, my God. I cannot wait to do my hair tutorial for Crazy Addict Touch. Oh, my goodness. Like, that's going to be, like, heaven. And I got the lashes. I can talk about those. That could be a video. And I can show you how I package my lashes to go out for shipment. Yeah, so we still blending. And blending good. Just going to blend. We just about coming to the end of the blending. And there it is. The final look. And on my next video, I'm going to do my full makeup. That way you can see the whole full look. So, subscribe. Leave your comments. If you have any questions or you want to show me anything or you want to just me promote your business, then leave the comments below. And have a good day. Don't let nobody tell you can't do anything. Always have a prosperous day. I love you guys. Until next time. See you later, babies.
It's those C4s.
So crazy.